Hey Leo, please keep in mind if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. So this is going to be your reading for the month of June. All right, Leo. So I definitely feel like you guys either are dealing with someone or you were dealing with someone that you know that you guys have this strong connection with, right? I feel like this person that you were dealing with, they can be very stubborn. I feel like their ego and their pride was definitely in the way, and it was stopping like you guys progressing to move forward. I do feel like this person has to heal from some type of family situation that's going on, either currently going on, or this could have been childhood trauma. So that's why I said, y'all know, vice versa. So, Leo, if this isn't pertaining to the person that you were dealing with, it could be like a cross-watcher that's dealing with the Leo. Take it however it fits. But let's hop in. Let's just see what's going on with you guys. Okay. Spirit. General reading for my Leos. Alright. Bottom of the deck, I have the Emperor reversed. So, some of you guys could be dealing with an Aries. If not, I feel like somebody's realizing that either they didn't bring stability into the situation or there's just no stability here. Tell me more. Yeah, so somebody definitely wants a commitment. Somebody definitely wants to have some type of relationship, but somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo. But I feel like whoever just looking at this that messed up, basically, they feel like you don't want to put any more time, effort, or energy into them. You know, they definitely want to have a commitment. Or, honestly, it could be you guys. Maybe you wanted to have a commitment with this person, but because of the way they were treating you, now you're like, F it. Like, I don't even want you anymore. I'm tired. So, let's see. Like I said, it can go vice versa. The Ten of Cups reverse try to come out. I'm telling you, somebody is like, I'm ending a family situation, or I need to get out of a family situation, or maybe they're scared that they're not going to be able to have a family with you at this point. So let's see. Tell me more, Spirit. What's going on? Somebody's not moving forward. They're not. They're taking their time. But I feel like somebody's still going through lessons here. Let's see. Tell me more. What's going on with my Leos? They're not putting in the work because they're trying to get out of some type of third-party situation. See what I'm saying? So this could be a family situation that's going on, whether it's like their immediate family. This could be someone that has like a family with someone else, like a love interest. They got kids together. Or I just heard childhood trauma too. Like, y'all, okay, just pick whatever fits your situation, okay? It's too many y'all. I just told Libra the same thing. It's too many. But whatever it is, they're trying to get out of it. I can tell you that. They're trying to get out of it, Leo. So let's see. Could be, yeah. Somebody's definitely trying to get out of some type of situation here because the seeds that they planted with you, they want them to grow. I do feel like they want to rush in to fix things with you, but you guys could have your wall up at this point because maybe they were being a player in the past. And it's like, I'm telling you, whoever messed up, Leo, they want to come back in. They do want to fix things with you, and I do feel like they're talking to someone, trying to figure out the best way to even approach you because they messed up. Look, they love you. This person does love you. They feel like you're it. You're the one. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini here. Tell me more. This person wants to balance things out. But there is some type of family situation here with these two sixes. There's something going on with family. I am seeing that. So let's see. Tell me more. See, 3 6s. Oh, Lord. Alright, I'm telling y'all, there's some type of family situation going on. Leo, you know your situation better than I do, okay? If you want to dive in, personal reading. But we ain't going to do all of that here. So I'm just telling you, there is something going on. And I feel like this is why this individual has a hard time speaking up to you. Some of you guys could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. But there's something that's been going on with this person. And like I said, it could even be childhood trauma. They're needing to heal from something. Tell me more. I did see the 8 of Cups at the bottom of the deck. It's like this person's just afraid that you're going to walk away from them. All right, there's the Empress. Clarify the Empress. I do feel like whoever messed up, Leos, they do want to have this new beginning with you. Yeah, they want to balance things out. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Sagittarius here. Tell me more.
This individual made a decision. What's their decision, please? But whatever it is, they're not positive. Okay, I feel like they made a decision that they do want to start something new with you. They're just not positive because they're feeling like you're not going to take them. Look, that's why they're going to come back and try to give you a small offer. Because they can't just jump in, Leo, and be like, hey, how you doing? I love you. I know you probably still love me. I know I did some things, but hey, let's start again. Let's get into this relationship. Here's a ring. Let's get married. Y'all gonna be looking at them like, you get the F out my face. You see what I'm saying? So they can't just jump in with that big offer. They can't do that. They have to come back with that small offer to build to give you that big offer. You see what I'm saying? They know you don't trust them. Hell, I don't even trust them. I don't know them. But you see what I'm saying? Like, let me stop messing with y'all. But for real, they're going to come back and give you a small offer because they know they have to rebuild your trust. Look, it's like they see things clearly now, but I'm telling you, this person is afraid you're going to cut them off for good. Some of you guys could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or a Libra. Tell me more. Yep, they're coming back. They're going to be confident too. They're trying. I feel like they're trying. They talk themselves out of it, but they're going to have the confidence when they come back towards you. Look, see? They're going to give you that offer of stability. I'm telling you, somebody could be dealing with an Aries here. There's an offer. I'm telling y'all, they're going to give you a stable offer of commitment. And it's like they're coming out of being frustrated because at one point they did feel like they lost you for good, Leo. But this was their lesson. Some of you guys could be dealing with a Virgo, but I'm telling you, this was their lesson. They had to go through this. Now they're sitting back thinking. They're sitting back reflecting about everything. That's why they're scared. That's why I'm telling you this person is afraid to come towards you because they're afraid you're going to reject them. Somebody could be dealing with a Capricorn. Tell me more. What did I just say, Leo? I'm telling you, they're afraid. They're afraid that they're not going to be able to have a happy home with you because they did not bring stability into the situation with you in the past. Tell me more. Okay, and they want to have a peace of mind, but honestly, y'all, I'm seeing it two ways here with these last three cards. I feel like your person, they were in some type of like toxic situation, whether it could have been like what I was just saying, they're afraid to come back to you because they're afraid that they're not going to be able to have a happy home. They could have been dealing with childhood trauma issues. They really could have. And it was toxic, you know, and they were bringing that energy into the situation with you. And they're needing to heal from that. They're needing to release that in order to move forward with you. For others of you, could be an and or situation. I do feel like your person was in some type of toxic family situation or they had a family with someone else. Whatever it is, it was just toxic, okay? It really was. And they're realizing that they don't have a happy home where wherever they are or whoever they're dealing with, whether it's immediate family, the love interest, whatever. It was just toxic. So what they're doing, they're freeing themselves. They're getting out of it, okay? Take it however it fits, Leo. Tell me more. What's going on? So if this person was dealing with someone else, they're going to be single. They're going to come out of it. If it's a family situation, they're trying to figure out how to free themselves. Yeah, because see, they're realizing if they stay stuck with whatever this is going on, they're not going to have a victory with you. They know it, see? And that's why they made a decision. Tell me more. But see, it's just like this person doesn't have the strength. Somebody could be dealing with another Leo. Tell me more. But they do want to balance things out. I'm telling you, it's like, Leo, they choose you. On Cross Watcher, you know, yeah, whatever. Y'all know how this goes. I want to keep having to say it, okay? Just take it however it fits. But this person definitely chooses you. They want to balance things out. But I'm telling you, they're afraid you're done with them. They're afraid you don't want to have anything with them. Tell me more. What's going on? Justice reverse. Somebody could be dealing with the Libra. Clarify justice reverse for me. They have to speak their truth. Clarify justice reverse. What's going on? Maybe they're trying to get out of some type of family situation. Look at that. Yeah. They're not content with how they left you. Somebody could be worried about money. Clarify the Ten of Pentacles reverse. Yeah, see, okay. And then I see the King of Pentacles reverse. Okay, yeah, y'all, okay. So, somebody's definitely worried about their money, okay? And they're worried about their money because of this family situation. Whether it's like immediate family that they've been helping, they've been taking care of. Maybe somebody was draining them financially. If it's a love interest, like if they were married or they were just in a relationship, they got children, whatever it is, they know when they get out of this situation, they may have to cough up some money, okay? So they're worried about their stability. And this is why I feel like they're having a hard time coming towards you, because they want to make sure all of this is squared away first. So let's see. See what I'm saying? This person, they know that they had you waiting. At the same time, I'm telling you, whoever this is resonating for, this person is frustrated. They're frustrated about their finances right now because some of them may have to get out of something legal. Some of them may have to go to court. It depends, because I'm seeing it a few different ways. But they are afraid that you're not going to take their offer because of what they did. And see, they don't know what to do. With these 2 7s here, your person was definitely being sneaky, but I do feel like whatever situation that they're in, again, whether it's family or a love interest, somebody is still holding on to them really, really tight, guys. They really are. Matter of fact, Liam, didn't I tell y'all that last month? I know I just got hyped for a second, but I'm sitting here. I'm not even going to pull up. Yeah, I could have sworn. I kind of saw something like this last month for y'all. But yeah, somebody is really trying to still hold on, and that's the problem. Tell me more. I could have sworn I told y'all this. See, this person's frustrated because they feel stuck. They feel stuck. Look at that. They're sad because they're afraid that you're going to walk away from them. But I'm telling y'all, somebody knows that they're taking a financial hit. If they leave whatever this situation is, they know it. Okay, you're just going to fall like that? I'm going to just take it both ways. So somebody could be dealing with a Scorpio. I'm telling you, they're afraid they're not going to have a new beginning with you. But this person definitely has to make some changes. Clarify? Something about that card. Yeah, this person isn't happy at all. They are not happy. They're not even in a situation that they're happy with. See? And it's like they were having a hard time, but now it's like they're moving forward. They're not confused. They're just moving kind of slow, you know? They're just moving slow. Let's see. There's some arguing. I don't even feel like this person is arguing with you. It's some type of conflict with your person and whoever this other person is that I'm picking up on. They're arguing, some type of battle, and they're trying to get out of it in order to give you an offer. But I'm telling you, I feel like this person has to give something to them. See, and judgment is here, but it's reversed. They made a decision. I feel like for some of you guys, if they're going through some type of like legal situation, there's a court situation going on, they could be waiting on a decision. And I feel like it's getting ready to happen. And that's why you haven't received your offer yet from them. But when it comes to you, I do feel like they know that they want to be with you, but see, they're afraid that you're not going to give them that new opportunity. They're afraid. So they want to rush in. They do want to rush in and talk to you, but see, they were being harsh towards you in the past, and they know that you're upset with them. They know that they hurt you, you know, and they feel like you just shut down on them, like you're not going to speak up. See, yeah, they were being sneaky. This person was being sneaky. Could have been dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or a Scorpio. Somebody could be dealing with an Aquarius, but I feel like because they were being sneaky in the past, Leo, they don't have any hope that you're going to take them back. 5 of Pentacles tried to jump out. That was telling me that they did leave you out in the cold. You know? Tell me more. That's why they can't sleep. This person is frustrated. They're up every night. You're on their mind. I'm feeling like 24/7. And it's like they're using their intuition. But see, didn't I tell y'all this card was trying to come out? I'm telling you, they left you out in the cold. They ghosted you for this other situation that they put themselves in. And they're not even happy. It wasn't worth it. Tell me more. See, this is why they're afraid they can't turn things around with you. But they do want things to improve with you. Clarify. So, look at that. They're trying to clear away these obstacles. And there's the Hierophant reverse. I'm telling you, some of them could be married. Somebody could be in a relationship that they're trying to get out of. Some of you guys, you could be dealing with a Taurus. But I'm telling you, they're trying to get out of something here. Tell me more. Oh, Lord. Okay. This person, yeah, y'all, they did hurt you. They stabbed you in the back. And they're hoping that you can forgive them because, see, now they're confident. This person wants to come towards you. Somebody's dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. Yeah, but in order for them to come towards you, they have to let go of all of this other mess that they were going through. So if they do have a child or whatever and they have to pay up, they just need to do what they need to do, get out of it, get out of their head, and move towards you. Easier said than done from their point of view. But, you know, I feel like it could be easy. They just need to speak their mind. Clarify the Three of Cups, please. I'm telling you, there was a third party. They have to let go of this